Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best bandsaw blades you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best bandsaw blades in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DeWalt DW3984C24 TPI Portable Bandsaw Blade. This blade is crafted with 8% cobalt for extreme durability. DeWalt bimetal cordless bandsaw blades are ideal for thick metal, medium metal, and thin gauge metal cutting. A Matrix 2 high-speed steel edge delivers excellent heat and wear resistance, and RC65 to 67 tooth hardness offers helps to increase durability. An alloy steel backer provides fatigue resistance. This always comes in threes, so it's cheap. If you buy some great bandsaw blades for the price, you get a lot of value. This is also a great tool for cutting metal, whether it's thick or thin. Great resistance is also found in the DW3984C. It's made to be strong and durable. For working with metals and woods, its high-speed steel and 8% cobalt are much stronger than carbon steel, which is made of iron. 24 teeth per inch is the number of teeth on the bandsaw blade that comes with it. This means that when you use it to cut whatever material you need for your projects, it will be very smooth. There are so many uses for this blade. Our second best bandsaw blades is POWERTEC 13183X bandsaw blade. This high-performance blade is designed to provide a reliable cutting action and deliver welds on wood, plastics and non-ferrous metals. Made from high-carbon steel, these bandsaw blades are heat-resistant and offer a premium precision cutting user experience. A good bandsaw blade that you can use to cut any kind of material you need for your projects might be this one from Harbor Freight. I think it's a good pick for cutting out shapes on the contours of things. When talking about the best bandsaw blades, it would be hard to leave out the POWERTEC 13183X. This is one of the best. It's one of those carbon steel blades that we can trust. It has 14 TPI teeth, which makes for a nice, smooth finish. This saw blade can cut through wood that is both hard and soft, as well as non-ferrous metals and plastics, with ease. It's a good idea to use bandsaw blades like this one if you're a good all-around worker. We also love its rake set of teeth, which makes your work finish smooth and easy. This tool has a lot of different types of teeth. The bandsaw blade is made from premium, high-grade carbon steel with heat resistance and weld. This precision cutting tool is constructed with an optimal geometric tooth arrangement that provides seamless cutting results at high performance speeds. Flexible carbon hard edge blade works perfectly with hard and soft woods, plastic, and plus non-ferrous metals. Third pick in our list is POWERTEC Store Bandsaw Blade. Their bandsaw blade is made of carbon steel that is very good and very strong. There are a lot of things that can last for a long time. As a result, it is also heat resistant and can be welded. This means that the cutting experience will be top-notch without having any problems. It has the right number of teeth in the right place so it can cut the material very well even when it is moving very quickly. This blade is good for cutting plastic, hardwood, softwood, and metals that aren't made of iron. 59.5 inch long, 3/8 inch wide, 0.014 inch thick bandsaw blades will work with this blade. Flexible carbon hard edge blades work well on both hard and soft woods, plastic, and metals that aren't made of iron. This precision cutting tool is made with a set of teeth that are arranged in a way that makes cutting smooth and easy at high speeds. A premium, high-grade carbon steel bandsaw blade is used to cut wood. It can withstand heat and be welded. Number 4 in our side is MK Morse ZWEP441418MC Master Cobalt. This is another bandsaw blade that can fit any small bandsaw that you might have. We like that this is a type of one of those bandsaw blades that can cut metal. The MK Morse Master Cobalt bandsaw blade comes in different widths, tooth designs, and arrangements. There's a lot of cobalt in this blade, which makes it a lot stronger than carbon steel. It has teeth that are pitched, wavy, or straight, so you can give your projects any finish you want. Quick, clean cuts in a variety of materials, Cuts everything you do with one blade. Larger tooth spacing, unique rake angle, more pieces cut in less time makes you more productive. Reduced tooth strippage, increased weld contact area, more pieces, in more materials over and over. The bandsaw blade is made of cobalt infused steel, which makes it more durable at each weld point. There is a lot of quality in this blade. Also, this bandsaw blade has been treated with an electron ray to make it easier to cut through your materials. This type of welding lets the blade move freely while it is being used. Last in our best bandsaw blades list is Bosch BS641224M metal Sawband blade. If you want a bandsaw blade that makes cutting through metals feel like butter, then this might be the best for you. The Bosch BS641224M can cut at any speed without getting hot. You don't have to worry about how well it will work at high speeds. If you're looking for a tool that is easy to use, this one is for you. It has wavy teeth and comes in at 24 TPI. Heat-treated steel makes the blade last longer. It's made of high-quality steel that was made to last longer. The fact that it isn't made of stainless steel doesn't mean it won't last a long time. This is also to keep the blade strong and cutting edge all the way through its work. Bandsaw blades like this one are good to buy if you want to get good quality. Bosch bandsaw blades offer precision sharpened teeth for easy cutting of fine, intricate shapes. Available with different blade features and tooth designs for use in a variety of different applications.